Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Honor launched a new pocket-friendly smartphone, Play 10C. It's a perfect handset for those looking for a cost-effective smartphone with some fascinating specifics. So without any delays, let's explore the device in detail, starting with design. Honor Play 10C features an elegant wavy pattern look on the back panel. It comes in three colors: morning mist white, sky blue, and phantom night black. The edges seem quite smooth, while the corners are curvy. The device has a two-star ring camera designs. The first one shows primary snapper, while the second ring has an LED flash and a closed lens ring below the flash. Smartphone has IPS LCD touch screen display with a 6.61 inches high brush highlight screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1010 nits peak brightness. The screen also supports DC flicker free dimming, e-book mode, software below light, and more. Coming to the performance, the smartphone packs a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset with the addition of an octa-core CPU. Phone offers 8 GB of RAM and 120 GB of storage. And other features include 5G capability and IP64 rating. Smartphone packs a single real camera with 50 megapixel sensor and with various AI photo editing tools. Meanwhile, it has a long battery life with 6000 mAh capacity. Another interesting feature of this phone is an upgrade AI key. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.